Ah, good morning. Hello and welcome. I am the Awful Chef, and it's breakfast, and everybody's hungry, so I better make something. Yeah, just like everybody else in the world. Okay, I love breakfast. Absolutely adore it. Didn't really want to make this show, though, because it's sort of equipment heavy. Yeah, if you don't have the right equipment, this is not going to work for you. Let me show you what equipment I got, and you'll probably realize you got most of it, if not all of it. So, main piece of equipment is a cheap sheet metal baking pan, or sheet metal pan of some type that fits inside your oven. The next thing you need is a juice glass, also known as a precision egg applicator. So you take a piece of bread, you cut a hole in it with your juice glass, take some butter, a little bit of butter, typically a stick of butter, you cut a slice of it in half, put half on each side, and then you take some cheese. And you put a little cheese on each side of the hole too. So when you're done, you end up with this. Yeah, it looks kind of funny. So, what we do is we throw that in a hot oven. And yeah, that's going to have to cook. So I don't know. Do I got any more jokes? The thing is, it doesn't have to cook long. The main thing we're trying to do is heat the pan so it will fry the bottom of the egg. Keep in mind there's butter underneath that bread that's going to swirl everywhere and create a perfect egg cooking surface. Oh, it's happening right now. The butter is melting. Once the cheese starts to melt, we can use our precision egg applicator to drop an egg yolk right in the middle of that hole and then bake it until it's the desired doneness. Yeah, you have to watch this. You may have to use the broiler to get it properly cooked. But the main trick, the main gadget, is that pan. Once it heats up, and the egg will fry slightly once it hits the hot butter on the bottom of the pan, you can add the egg. And what you're going to end up with is kind of a cross between French toast, fried bread, and a melted cheese sandwich. Yeah, lots of words for something that's really simple. Bread, butter, cheese, egg, oven, and a precision egg applicator. Yes. Is our cheese starting to melt? Oh, it is just starting to melt. You see how long this process can be. It's that simple with the right oven and the right pan. So, I will show you one egg for brevity's sake. I mean, how much time do you want to spend watching me break eggs? The oven's hot. And the cheese, delightfully, is just starting to melt. The butter has already melted thoroughly. Oh, and that smells good. Okay, goody goody. Now the bad news is, because this is stuff I've just gathered over the years, I only have 2 precision egg applicators. So for 4, it's going to be a couple minutes. Okay, that is very pretty. Here you can see, I hope, yeah, you get some idea the cheese has started to melt. The pan is hot. So, egg in 1. And it's a tight fit. Egg in 2. Yeah, I know, those holes look gigantic, but they were just barely big enough to hold an egg and a yolk. So, that's it. I'm going to throw that in the oven and cook it till it's done. I'm the Awful Chef. This is social media. Please be social and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.